Ready to dive into the world where business and creativity collide? Let's talk about fruit houses. Imagine cozy cottages nestled inside juicy strawberries, mysterious forests inside watermelons, and charming cafés hidden within oranges. That's the magic of fruit houses, a whimsical coloring page collection designed to spark creativity and entrepreneurial success. With over 800 unique designs, each page is a canvas waiting to be brought to life. And the best part? You get full private label rights. Yeah. Modify, rebrand, or sell these pages however you like. It's perfect for platforms like Amazon KDP and Etsy, and it's all ready for both digital sharing and pixel-perfect printing. Why should you get your hands on this bundle? It saves you money. No need to outsource. You keep 100% of your profits with our PLR licenses. And setup is a breeze. You'll be up and running in just a day or two. Our high-quality, eye-catching designs are perfect for relaxation, stress relief, or pure creative fun. Plus, it's not just for coloring. These designs make stunning book covers and digital products too. And we stand by our work with full support and a satisfaction guarantee. So why wait? Check the link in the description to grab your Fruit Houses bundle today. Transform your business, unleash your creativity, and enjoy the journey.